What's up guys, AndersCubes here, and today I'll just be doing some example solves. So yeah, scrambles are in the description, and let's get started. So what I would do here is I see a cross piece here, here, and here. So these two are relative to each other, so that's pretty nice. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this red piece. I'm gonna bring this red piece underneath the red, and then I'm going to do an F, and then R prime, and then L2, B2, so that they're all connected. Then do an D prime. Then it leaves me with this nice pair, so I'm gonna break them up, and then insert. And I see these two, so I'm going to pair them up in the back and insert into the front. And then after that, I'm gonna do these two, so you can just sledge to pair these up. And there's a way you can do like that, which is kind of nice because you don't have to rotate. So yeah, sure, let's do that. And then I have this piece, I'm gonna take it out. I have it here, and then I'll rotate and put it in, and you get this OLL and Y prime. All right, this is the next scramble, and as you can see, we have, this looks pretty good. We got a pair here, a cross edge here, and these two. So what I would do here is I would face the orange, and I would put in green, and then do a D, and then insert blue. And then I would kind of do another D, and then F, B2, like that. After that, I would pair up these two and insert. After that, I saw that a pair was put into the back, so I'm gonna take it out and insert it into the back. Again, another pair was in the front, so I'm gonna put it in the back, and then that leaves us with these two. So I'm gonna rotate and pair them up, and then take them into the back. After that, OLO and PLO. Alright, this is the third solve. What I would do here, I don't do X crosses that often, so I probably won't use this, but I do see something that could work. So I'm just gonna try it. So what I would do is I would put this edge underneath here, and then that way when I do this move, it kind of makes a free pair, or a X cross, see? And then after that, I'll insert orange, and then I will insert green, D2, and then red, which does make an X cross in the back, which is pretty cool. Then I would, I know that this piece is the red and blue piece, since the other blue piece we already matched. So I'm gonna take this out, and then another shake, and then insert like that. Now I see this pair, so I'm gonna separate them, insert. I see these two, so I'm gonna take them apart, put them in, OLO, PLO. Okay, for this one, okay, so we have a piece here, and these two. So what I would do here is I would insert green, and then I would move this piece in front, and then as I'm putting in red, I'll put in blue at the same time, which makes a cross on the bottom, D2. Then I'm gonna do these two pairs. So I'm gonna put them here, pair them up like that, just insert. Then I see these two, so I'm gonna separate them, and then just insert like that by rotating. Then I'm gonna let's see. Then I'm gonna rotate again and do triple inverse sexy to put them in. And then from here, I'll just do a sledge and then insert to get slash and eperm. Okay, this next scramble, let's see. Okay, what I think I would do here is I would move the green to the left, and then after that I can put in this orange. And you see there's an X-Ross opportunity. I'm not gonna do that, but what I am gonna do is D prime, and then insert, and then D prime again, insert, and then to the left. I'm not sure if that was the best way, but that's how I would have done it. And from there, I will do these two. This is white, so I'll break them up like that. Then insert that. Then I will do these two pairs. See, so I'll pair them up like that to the back. After that, I see these two, so I'm gonna break them up, pair them up, and then these two, break, pair, insert. After that, I'll just do OLL, and finally, PL. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. See you guys in the next one. Peace.